fastest way to get that Korean glowing, youthful-looking skin without wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots, even at 60, is not with retinol. It's not with collagen. And it's definitely not with some overpriced miracle serum. That's exactly what the American skincare industry wants you to believe because they're printing billions off, keeping you stuck in that buy, fail, buy again cycle. So you spend thousands and still end up with duller skin, more texture, more breakouts, and deeper wrinkles. And then they blame your age. But here's the truth Korean women have known for centuries. Your skin isn't actually aging, it's starving. Starving for the right ingredients that repair it. And if you knew how simple it actually is, the beauty industry would go bankrupt tomorrow. So here's what actually makes your skin look younger. First is niacinamide. It strengthens your skin barrier and brightens dark spots fast. Second, glycolic acid. It melts off dead skin gently so your real glow can actually show. Third, snail mucin hydrates, repairs, boosts collagen. Sounds crazy, but works like magic. Fourth, hyaluronic acid pulls hydration into your skin instead of sitting on top. And fifth, licorice root lightens dark spots naturally without burning your face. These 5 ingredients are what keep Korean women glowing at 50 and looking younger than most Americans.